So I feel like our high resolution data, the model that I'm showing you right here, is doing a pretty good job at the timing of this, because I just showed you the radar heading into this 4 o'clock hour. We're pretty much on track with what this data is showing us. So what we're going to have to watch for with this as well is the potential to see a few isolated cells that could form out ahead of that main line. That's where we would probably watch for a tornado threat the most. But I think the main line that we're going to be watching, that's where we're going to really pay attention for winds and the potential for some hail. So heading into the 6 o'clock hour, we're going to start to see this push west to east. So I would say along and west of Interstate 65, right around that 6 o'clock hour. That's when we're going to see that. Heading into the 9 o'clock hours, it becomes east of Interstate 65. So 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, Huntsville areas, Gunnersville, Arab, Albertville, probably Priceville, heading into Coleman. Probably going to be seeing some very heavy rainfall at that moment. But the main line moves through. This is 2:30 in the morning on Thursday. We're still going to be dealing with lots of rainfall after that main line moves through. So it's going to be a very long period of continuous rainfall. I would say the severe threat probably going to come to an end around 8 o'clock this evening, maybe 9 o'clock. And after, that's when we're going to have those torrential downpours that we're going to watch for a flooding threat. So we'll watch for that after we get through our main severe weather risk. So 7 a.m. morning commute tomorrow could be wet for some of us. Western side of the Tennessee Valley probably going to start to dry out by then. I would say along and west of Interstate 65. That's when we could start a drying out period, and then advancing this into 8 a.m., 9 a.m. tomorrow. Still expected to see a little bit of rainfall, but I would say probably late morning into the early lunchtime hours. That's when all of this rain is going to be said and done with. But we are still going to keep the cloud cover in the forecast after the rain moves through. So we'll start to dry out tomorrow afternoon, but it's still going to be pretty gloomy there. So I'm going to leave you with one big picture look one last time, just to show you exactly where the rainfall is at the moment. We've got tornado watches off to our south. As of right now, across the Tennessee Valley, we're still going to be under that severe thunderstorm watch until 8 o'clock, and we are going to keep our eyes very closely on the system as it progresses through the Tennessee Valley.